Hi there, it's me, Mr. Sniffly. Even though I have the run of the whole house, I like to stay in my pen and just come up to these bars and stick my nose through them. I like to stick my nose through them, and I like to keep it there. And if you come up and pet me, I will still keep my nose there, and I really have no reason to, other than I'm a rabbit, and I do